girls that's pretty. Guess I made a left down the right down route. If I made it right, they couldn't have pulled me out. As I take a look down the project block, see they filled with pain, and I'ma block that out. Cause I got a job to protect and serve, and I'm gon' do it, homie, that's my word. I got me a bag, got me a gun, and all my niggas told me that I was on one. I guess it was something in my heart that told me. Cause when I was young, I used to hate the police. But it's my calling, that's my take. I never would've thought I'd end up as Jake, but I'ma do my best just to keep my brain. Cause in this city, homie, it's hard to stay serious. Jail cell. I give a holler to my sisters on welfare. Please don't hate me for the badge I wear. Please don't hate me cause your man ain't there. I tried to warn him, he ain't care. It's a dirty job, but somebody gotta do it. Got to make sure your kid's safe at school. I got me a bag, got me a gun. I got a bad attitude, so you better run. I'm about to clean these streets and I'll sweep them if I have to. You got guns, we got guns too. And I bet we got more guns than you. This is from Miami's finest, don't sleep. If we catch your ass on the creek, we gon' take the dope and money and leave it where she take. Come on. I walk the line. City is mine. Just don't cross the line. City is
Anima libera, ti senti cambierai, lassù nel cielo volerai. Anima libera, sempre di illuminare, nel buio dei pensieri. Anima libera, sono magica, sei la speranza dentro me. Anima libera, leggere l'unica, nel cosmo azzurro brillerai. E non lasciare che paure inutili nascondano la luce in te. Io non ti scorderò, io ti celebrerò. Ritmo di questa canzone. più ti celebrerò col ritmo di questa canzone.